Testing. Hey, there we go. Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are live. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. It's a good Friday. Let's go. We're already green on the day. And we had some beautiful setups in the overnight. Good morning, fellas. Best Gets Trading, Thor, Peter, good morning. Lawrence Harris, touchdown. Black Coffee Trader in the building, good morning. Timbo, Tech 111, Jim O, Jake Dell, Francis, Hoss D, Jack Wiley, Scalpulaire, good morning. Ace Undercover, Sean Trader, I am Bruce Lee, K Trader, Daniels, Frayed, good morning. Scalpulaire, The Hoodie, David Knight, good morning. Dabda, good morning. Niles, Golf Guy Mike. By the way, Golf Guy Mike, did you watch the Internet Invitational? Wow, look at this. We are just continuing lower. Wow. M. Susan, good morning. Sharouz, Micro Player, Travis, Frank Martin, Timely Bible Verse, good to see you. Bless you, man. Good to see you. Good morning. Okay, you're only on episode 3, Golf Guy Mike. Okay, I promise I will not do any spoilers. That's why I asked. Sloth Scylla, good morning. Marco, good morning. Wow, guys, this market is something else today. Look at, we had this morning, we were all the way up here at the 140s, 25,140s. We are currently at the 640s. That's a 500-point drop. This is the daily chart. Now, we are below these lows. I don't know. This is, this could be the start. I don't know. This is an interesting development. If we start selling off, we could be in for, maybe we get our long-awaited bear market that everybody keeps trying to predict. Hey, you're fine. You're fine, Golf Guy Mike. Julian, Francis, yes, we will be doing a duck race today. Remind me, we are going to do Take Profit Trader. We're going to do 150K test accounts. We're going to give them away. By the way, I wanted to check something out. I was curious about something. Okay, is someone in here? I can't remember who, is someone in here right now that recently won one of the Take Profit Trader test accounts? If one of you is in here that won one of the test accounts, just let me know in the chat. I have a question. I'm curious about something. All right, market seeing a big rip higher now. This is where things can get very dicey. I'm kind of okay with, and I actually, if you, okay, you haven't redeemed it yet. Okay, K Trader, can you go to, even if you haven't redeemed it yet, that's fine. Do you mind logging into your account? And can you go on your tabs? You should see on your profile, Credit Bank. Can you go to your Credit Bank? And can you let me know, so what I'm not sure on, no way, Design Knob. Don't even, no way. John, hey, good morning, John. Good morning, Design Knob. But can you let me know what is going on? Why? Whoa, look at this rip. Talk about trapping the shorts. Man, that's a crazy rip. Oh, man. That is wild. That is crazy rip higher. Oh. What is going on here? Wow, look at this. This is crazy. Unbelievably ripped this. I mean, this is almost 200 points. Crazy market. Woof. Be careful today, guys. Be careful. Under Credit Bank, I have a 150-day test account and a 130 pro activation fee. Thank you, K-Trader. Thank you. That's what I was curious about. That's actually pretty awesome, K-Trader. So basically, if you win a giveaway, if you win the Take Profit Trader giveaway, they will give you your test account, but then also your free activation fee at the same time, which is important because let's say the test account, you blow the test account, right? If you blow the test account, you could reset it, and then eventually, like, you'll just be able to use that activation fee on any account that you want. So I thought they would wait until you pass the account in order to give you another, the activation credit. That's how I thought it was. But I realized yesterday, someone emailed me, and I realized that they might actually be giving you guys the activation credit right away, which is actually that's really cool. Yeah, JMU trades. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. So I was not aware that that's how they did the giveaway. So that's even more of that's even a better giveaway than what we thought. All right. I mean, this market, I am very happy to be green. So by the way, obviously, as you can see, right here was my trade in the overnight. Took an entry. I mean, it was a picture perfect trade. Took the entry here, first target, second target. Now, a little bit of a story here. I went to the bathroom right here. And you know how in the morning, I mean, maybe this is too much information, but when I get up in the morning, I like to, sit on the throne and just kind of decompress for sometimes 15, 20 minutes. That's what happened here. I missed another really good setup. I came back from my restroom break somewhere right here. So I probably would have taken this setup. I I probably would have, and it would have been a great trade. But we didn't take it, so it's fine. We are totally fine the way we are right now. So because of today's volatility, everything, I got myself, as you can see on top, 3 trade day evals. I think I'm going to trade those trade day evals today, and I'm going to lock out my funded accounts and call it a day. Call it a day on the funded accounts, and then I'm going to we're going to trade these 3 trade day accounts. We're going to take our normal setups. We're just going to do it on 2 minis instead of 2 micros. Design knob. Tell me where you got liquidated. Please tell me. Design knob, you need to start a Discord service. Design knob, you need to start a Discord service. Charge people. You need to charge people for the service just to give out where you got liquidated. That's what you need to do. You got liquidated at 784. Okay, well, at least it kept going higher. At least it's not quite as painful. Unbelievable, though, Design Knob. You have some bad luck. Nothing better than being relaxed in your own home, if you know what I mean. That's right. There's nothing better getting up in the morning, nobody else is up yet, and then you go sit on the throne for a good 30 minutes and just a really, really solid experience. That's hard to beat. That is hard to beat, folks. That's all I'm going to say. I need to charge people so I can decide. Oh, man. Man, this market is just going straight up. Straight higher. Oh, I forgot my clock and my heart rate monitor. Hang on, guys. I'm a little behind today. What? That's crazy. I did not know it would do that. Okay, hang on. Okay, heart rate monitor going. There we go, boys. My heart rate should remain relatively calm today, I feel like. It should remain relatively calm. Up 500 on 2 micros. Let's go, golf guy. Timbo. I'm getting plenty of fiber, Timbo. That's right. I bought 636 and sold 647. Look at the price now. Oh, that's trader in development. It's easy to do that. We don't need to catch the whole move, just part of the move. But man, this is a crazy rip higher, man. And quite honestly, I am totally okay. This makes me even more happy that I'm just gonna call it a day on my funded accounts. And now, I mean, we might get a long setup. We're gonna trade the trade day evals. We are going to trade the trade day evals today. I love to pass these trade day evals. I know it's 5 days, but slow and steady. I'm gonna look for around $2,000 a day. How's gold looking today? Man, gold had a huge sell-off as well. Gold basically followed NQ. That's interesting. What does the daily chart on gold look like? I want to see. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Man, I tell you what. Volatility today. Wow, look at this thing rip. I mean, I guess now we might get a long setup here. That is a wild, wild rip higher. I mean, that's 300 points from the lows. Man, what is going on? Oh, let's go, Tech 11. Let's go. Read my last post. Oh, maybe a counting system. Whenever you get the urge to get in, wait a minute. Or yeah, it's not a bad idea. Sorry, John. As soon as I go to the gym, it hits me. Oh, John, yes. Go to the gym, and they have the worst toilet paper ever. I know the pain. Which reminds me, I actually need to use the restroom. I'll be right back. And we're back. Oh, man. Whew. We won't talk about that. Look at this market. I mean, this is wild. I don't understand. So what? We just went. I mean, are we just going to reverse this whole move from the overnight session? That is wild. That is crazy, man. Is gold isn't doing a whole lot. Unbelievable move here. Don't do, oh man. Hey, RXHX, Ralph Gruns, good morning. Don't forget to put the lid down. Yeah, you said bear market possible. This was inevitable. True, Frozen North. True. Hey, MM Coley, good morning. Coach Captain Crunch, good morning. Charuz, good morning. Yeah, 1 to 2 micros in this kind of market is you can make some serious money trading micros with this kind of market. All right, man, we might. I was hoping we get a setup here for these evals. I think we will. I think we'll get a setup eventually. But wow, are we maybe? Do we want to go? Maybe we want to get to the 25,000s. Maybe. Is that kind of the target here? Wait, oh no, you guys saw my heart rate. Okay, that's kind of weird. Oh man. Hey, Citizen Zero, good morning. Design knob, please, no. No. There isn't even a pullback to the 9 EMA yet. I know, it's wild, man. This market, and see, in this kind of market, we can have a 100-point drop just like this. Like, it can happen. So you gotta be careful. Plua PA I've had since January. Oh, I'm so sorry, Grant Thompson Trades. You gotta, I mean, are we really just going straight up to the 25,000s? I mean, this is crazy. Just give me a pullback market. Man, it's crazy. I saw many say this is the start of a bear market. Yeah, damn. I mean, people always try to predict it. I will say this kind of the daily chart, if we close today, if we close below this 650 area today, I do feel like it has the makings of it, but we're a long way away from entering a bear market. Like we're a long way away. The hourly chart has recaptured the 9 EMA. I see. I don't have the 9 EMA on this, but actually, never mind. I do have the 9 right here. Wow. I got to pay attention and make sure that I trade the right account today. Got to make sure I trade the right account. All right, can we get a pullback? We're finally seeing a red candle. Now the question is, how big is this candle going to get? How big is this candle going to get? Do we see a pullback here for a long? I mean, I'm hoping we get a pullback into this 15-minute opening range high. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. I mean, we haven't even tested the 9 EMA yet. So just gotta wait. The low of October 10th is in place in a week. Yeah. And Anvar Martuzan, I am using the account dashboard from Affordable Indicators. This gonna just rip straight back up now? Maybe not. Give me a pullback. I really hope it doesn't just rip here. The biggest rallies in the bear market can go right back down. Yeah, it's true, John. That's exactly right. This kind of volatile market is where you just have to be careful. Don't over leverage. Don't watch your size. Make sure you don't go too big a size, because the market can stay irrational way longer than you can stay liquid, is the famous saying. Really, this is going to just go right back up. Man, we still haven't touched the 9 EMA. It's wild. We are stalling a little bit, though. It's definitely slowed down. Hey, good morning, Peter Schaap. Good morning, Peter Schaap. How we're doing? Fishing full. Probably going to take. You think we can take out the lows sometime today? I would not be surprised. I'm more interested to see what happens if we sweep up through the 25,000s. Like, are we going to sweep this 25,000s? I don't know. We'll wait and see. Hey, good morning, Tanush. Oh, by the way, Tanush, I did get your email. Sorry, I just now I remember now. I did get that same error. I'm not sure why, but it doesn't really affect anything on my end. Like, I just kind of, I don't pay attention to it, but I'm trying to think. Yeah. But yeah, Tanush, sorry, I don't have the previous file. I don't. Unfortunately. Yeah, I think it is Tanush. I mean, I'm not sure it's a big, or it hasn't affected anything. I took a couple trades. I took that one trade and everything was fine. So, yes, I did. UK said, I bought 3 evals. These 3 trade day evals. It's the only accounts that I currently wish I had that I don't have. So, I'm done trading my funded accounts today. So I decided, you know what? Today's a good day to start. I'm just going to take my time. Obviously, I have to you got to take your time with trade day because you can only, wow, look at this. Let's see if we get up through the 25,000s here. We did actually test the 9 EMA here. Wow, so bullish. So bullish all of a sudden. Here we go, new highs. Well, technically on this, I mean, on the New York session. There we go, 980s. There she goes. $980s. Let's see if we continue. And then right back down. Wow. I mean, we might get it here. We might get a pullback here the way this is kind of shaping out. Starting to go lower a little bit. This is where it would be tempting. To long-term play would be to see if we don't remake or make new lows on this. Okay, come on, pull back. Give me an entry here. It doesn't want to do it. It's not going to do it. Yeah, it's looking like I did not expect this today. I did not expect the market to just be insanely bullish today. That is crazy. After that overnight session where we just sold off, like every little dip was just, or every pullback was sold off, every bounce. Hey, Judas Joe, you like those? I love it. I love it. Thank you. We are locked in for the day. We're starting to fake out a little bit here. Starting to fake out. Hey, we might get our pullback. We might get it. Now we're going to have to, we want to pay attention here. All right, we're getting close. Man, this is going to be so weird. We're going to have like $1,000 stop loss on these. Now we just got to see if it triggers. Hopefully we consolidate just a little bit here. If we consolidate, I think that's what I kind of hope we do. Come back down and maybe test the 840s. Bless you, honey. All right, I'm just waiting. Come on, I don't want this. Give me. I don't want to take the entry up here, but I might have to. Whoa, what was that? Do I have to have this big of a stop? That's insane. That's insane. This market is crazy. Can you imagine trading minis on all accounts? Can you imagine? That is wild. That is wild. Come on, just go fill it. All right, let's go. Oh man, this market is crazy. Yeah, land too. Oh man. Did we just hear a sound from the missus? Yes, Dabda. She sneezed. She sneezed. All right. Feel like this might be the 25,000. Man, I need to adjust this a little bit here. I need a bigger target on that first one. All right, now, will we break? The easier trades. The easier trades were earlier today. It was easier trades were this morning, honestly, this morning. Early this morning. I guess now we just need another pullback. 47 accounts. That's right, critical. Now only 44 of those are funded. These top 3 accounts are not funded accounts. Did my P&L just move? Did I just hallucinate, or did my P&L just... I think I hallucinated there for a minute. So that was weird. Out of the short, nice Sharoos. Price pushing into yesterday's low, might see a bigger pullback. I mean, we kind of double topped here. It's kind of interesting. Yes, Homer Sim. Basically, the most we can make on these accounts today, the most is 2,700. On the 150K accounts, I don't want to make more than 2,700. That's it. That's way, I mean, it's a little bit concerning that we haven't made new highs. But every little dip we get just immediately gets bought up. So All right, I need to connect make sure all my accounts are connected. And right back down. All right, we could get another setup here, but I'm a little, I mean, this is kind of a little bit of a sketchy trade, but we did technically make new highs here, but it's kind of a little iffy. It's a little iffy. Come on, pull back into this EMA again. I would love to see that. I'm going to try to be more patient, especially with like these trade day accounts where you can't pass these in one day anyway. So I might as well just be patient and take my setups. Like basically just might as well take the same setups that I do on my funded accounts. I just do bigger size. So I'm going to try to be more patient. They retrace about 25% of the 60-minute candle. Great entry there. I see TCM trades. Sounds good to me. Looks like a long off the 900s. I mean, I'm hoping we pull back into like this 900 area. That's what I'm kind of waiting for. Come on. All right, now I would love a consolidation candle here. Please don't just rip higher. And it might. See, I hate those kind of entries where we just rip straight back. See, I don't like the entries all the way up here. We're basically entering at the highs. I hate that. But I'm gonna, whatever. I'm just gonna pass. It's frustrating, but I'm gonna pass. I just don't want to be entering all the way at the highs, even though we would be in the trade right now. Yep, look at that. Unbelievable. Oh, yeah, it's going to make new highs now. Probably. Going to rip up through the 25,000s. Being a little bit too picky on my entries, I guess. Especially on an eval. Come on, man. But I don't like that. I don't like when I have to enter all the way up here. But technically, there she goes through the 980s. Did we test the 25,000s? Not quite. 24,998. You would think we sweep the 25,000s. You would sure think so. Oh man, probably should have just taken the trade, especially being that it's an eval. There she goes. 25,000s have been touched. I made 1,500 on my 5 PAs. Let's go, Connor Bruce. Love it. 1,200 yesterday. Would recommend losing some, or would you be worried? No, I wouldn't be worried, Connor Bruce. I wouldn't be worried. Nope. This market is frustrating me. I mean, I can see that. I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy how bearish we were in the overnight. I mean, everything was just sold off. And then the New York session opens, we sweep the lows of the overnight, and we just rip this thing 400 points higher. That's wild. That is wild. And I'm just happy. I'm just happy that I got my trade in the overnight session, and I'm happy to be trading an eval this morning. Wow, 25/20s now. I feel that is unfortunate. Would you try to get today's balance back around yesterday for consistency, Connor Bruce? No, as long as you're under the 30% consistency when you go to request a payout, that's all that matters. That you're fine, Connor Bruce. We still need another 1,400 points more. Now, if those are 50K accounts and you plan to request, basically you just have to adjust for when you plan to request a payout. But as long as you're within the 30% consistency rule, when you request a payout, you'll be fine. Tech. That's true. But man, this is a wild opening so far. Crazy. Man, oh man. It's just wild seeing this kind of crazy market is on something. It's easy to get FOMO when we have this kind of market. Easy to get FOMO. So easy to be looking like, oh man, I could have made so much money here and here and here. It's also a trap. Don't do it. Just got to trade what you can, trade your setups, and just got to be patient. Now we just wait. We got to wait for a pullback again. I feel like we're going to get, I think we're going to get some nice setups here. I think we will. We just got to be patient. Team Goldman force feeding the market. It could be. Let's go, background noise. Good morning. The fact that 626 low was quite away from low last week, 709. I see. Congrats on passing your 30-day challenge yesterday. That's no small feat. Thank you, Coach Captain Crunch. Thank you. I'm very happy honestly, I'm just happy that I tried it. I'm happy that I tried it. I've read that Mark Douglas book where he talks about the 30 trade challenge. Like, I've read that probably 4 different times. And for some reason, when I read it last month, it just kind of clicked for me. And I'm like, you know what? Like, the reason I did it was because he said, hey, just do it for 30 trades. That's it. Only do it for 30 trades. If you don't want to do it after that, that's fine. And I was like, you know what? I can do it for 30 trades. Sure, I can. I know I can do it for 30 trades. And it's kind of honestly got me to shift my mindset a little bit about how I trade, to be honest. Like, I know I'm going to go through losing streaks, and I got to remember that everyone will go through losing streaks. So I don't want to be overreacting when that happens, but it really did just like it just kind of showed that, hey, just trade your setups. Don't overcomplicate things. Sometimes we scramble our brain. Our brain gets confused because we're trading so many different styles and we're trading so many different strategies, so to speak, where our brain gets confused in what we're looking for. And then when you're confused and not convicted when you trade, that's when you will get whipsawed and you'll start taking a setup and then second guessing it the minute you take it and then reversing. And then it goes exactly how you wanted it to go in the first place. And then you start getting tilted. And there's so many things that can go. There's so many things that can go sideways. So many different ways. Can you explain the 30 trades, any specific data loss limit? Yeah, so I trade 2 to 4 micros. I think a couple of trades I did 3 to 6. When I say 2 to 4, my 150K accounts, I trade double the size of my 50K and 100K accounts. So that's what I mean by that. So if I say I'm trading 2 micros, that means I'm actually trading 4 micros on my 150K accounts. So either 2 to 4 or 3 to 6. And my data loss limit is I don't have a set limit, but around $400. Like $400 per account is where I need to walk away. The Post-it, that app was from Canva. Canva is where I create all my thumbnails. It's a pretty cool, this is what it looks like. So Canva is kind of you can do anything you want. You can draw on the chart. You can add different stuff to it. And that's what I use to mark all this stuff up. It's also what I use to create my thumbnails and stuff like that. A horrible week for you, Trading Alchemist? I'm sorry, man. I've had those. We've all had them. We've all had them. Yeah, I like Canva. Was that challenge in Trading in the Zone? Yes, M. Susan. Yes. That's where he talks about it. M. Susan. Oh, man, I wish I could find the chapter. I probably could. I listened to it. I have the audio, I listened to it, so sometimes easy to lose track. I think in Ohio, I have the physical book as well, but I don't have it here in Florida. All right, market. We just need the market now to slow down a little bit. Get us some decent pullbacks. Get us some decent pullbacks here. Yep, Trading Alchemist. Yeah, it's part of it. It's part of it. Don't be surprised by next week or two. I might go all the way back and test all-time high 26,399. I could definitely see it, Ace. Anything is possible in this market. Anything is possible. This is just a test. Okay, perfect. Wanted to make sure the lock feature on those accounts was working, and it is. Let's go. I don't want to say this too loud, but QuantGuard lately, there's still some bugs with QuantGuard. There definitely is still some bugs, but it is drastically better than it was 3 weeks ago. I think with the Rhythmic, there's some more issues. We're going to new all-time highs. I mean, at some point in the future, I don't think it's a stretch to say that we're going to all-time highs. Will it happen next week? I don't know. But overall, the market does tend to go higher. I think that's a universal acceptance. What is the name of the book? Trading in the Zone from Mark Douglas. And there she goes. We just gonna keep going higher. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, man. This is wild. This is wild, man. Wild man Dan. I mean, I want to almost see if there was some kind of news was there news this morning? I'm going to check Financial Juice. I mean, this is kind of a crazy, I don't know, that's crazy. So the Democrats are doing everything in their wither to push the Epstein hoax again, blah, blah, blah. That's nothing. China Foreign Ministry, Ukraine military. Like, there's no actual news here. It's crazy. I don't know. Market goes up. I don't know what to say. The news was stocks on sale. I like it, Tanush. Everybody called. Hey, guys, stocks are on sale. Buy now. Oh, it's crazy. Look at this thing go. Unbelievable. I mean, we are almost, I mean, this is insane. Look, we're actually, the overnight highs are up here, the 25,158s. I mean, dead serious. This looks like we're going to hit it. We're going to take out the overnight highs. I mean, I would have lost a lot of money if I was, I would have said the chance we take out the overnight highs was pretty low. It could be short covering. It's gonna be very interesting later in the day and see, yeah, how many days of inactivity can you have with Apex? I believe it's 30 days, Dan Tilloy Dan. 30 days. Carolina, you think this is retail buying the dip? I don't know. I don't know, man. It's a lot of buying. It's a lot of buying. It could be, though. Who knows? Should have known the bounce at 24,709. November 7th was going to be respected. I mean, the 7, yeah. Per account or per user. So if you trade one account, does it cover the rest? Per account or per user? I'm not sure. Okay, sorry. I'm not sure what you're referencing, Almighty. Let me scroll back, see if I see your. I just lost Funding Ticks account for not trading with them for 7 days. 7 days of the last trade. I thought one would cover the rest. Wait, what? I mean, it would be per, you would have to trade each account, Almighty. That's how I understand it. Like each account is separate, so you would have to trade each account. And I think, so funding ticks has an inactivity for 7 days. Apex has 30 days. But yes, you would need to trade each account. Yes, it is separately. Because each account is its own thing. So yeah, you would have to trade each account. Yes. Man, this is just squeezing higher. If we would have taken this long, if we would have taken this long, we probably would be done trading our accounts. Done trading those funded or those eval from trade day. Can you verify with Apex? I thought it was 6 months. I will verify that. I was second guessing myself, but I was second guessing myself because that was an issue here a while ago and they changed it, but I don't remember what they changed it to. So maybe it's 3 months. Let me double check, guys. I should have double checked before I just said. I hate when I give you guys the wrong information, so give me a minute. Yeah, maybe it is 180 days. Why can't I? Ah, man, wow, look at this rip. Unbelievable. I give up. I give up. We're never getting it set up today. I cannot find. Yeah, I'm trying to find it, Tanush. Oh, I'm gonna find it. Oh my word, look at this thing go. What is going on? We officially have taken out the overnight high. Oh my word. Actually insane. Oh, that's crazy. Don't I have people? I do, but I don't like texting people for something like that. I will if I have to. I will if I have to, but I'm determined to find it. I know. How do you realize my heart rate is by this is through the Whoop app. This is the mother of all squeezes. I agree. I agree. It is crazy. I thought we might be targeting October's low. Ah, you know what? I give up. I'm going to ask the guy. Let me ask the guy. All right, I'll see. I'll get the information. Oh man. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. Had to fight for 25 points last night, and this is just going straight up. I know, right? Good news on this. We just started like, oh, the good news is I did pass five top step accounts on that move higher. So now we're gonna try to take money out of Top Step again. Starting today. I'm gonna try to actually not be quite as aggressive. No more trading gold. I'm not allowed to trade gold anymore. I've officially broken up with gold. Gold broke my heart. Gold broke my heart too many times. Too many times. Lanto probably did 3 million today on this move higher. Lanto probably caught 300-point move lower, and then he reversed. He reversed right here at the 650s, and he caught another 400 points higher. I expect nothing less than Lanto having, at minimum, a $2 million day. Come on. At minimum. I'm going to be disappointed if that's not the case. Hey, Zilla, I'm building my Top Step accounts back now too. I have 2 right now. Let's go. Let's take as much money from them as we can, okay? He did long from 943, Cly. From 943. Okay. Actually, that would be that's almost my setup. Look, that's literally my setup right there. I didn't take the trade, but we were too close to the double top here. I should have taken it, but I didn't. Love to see it. Hey, we're getting a pullback finally. Getting a pullback. Come on down. Come on down. We almost need like a 80-point pullback here. Come on, please don't go straight back up, please. Don't do it. Don't do it, market. That's rude. Very rude. Does anyone in chat own an octopus? Yeah. Day one J with the most random comment of the year. He is trying to buy an octopus from chat. I've heard it all, folks. Oh, man, that's too funny. He's up 300K. Yeah, that's pocket change for him. It's not even newsworthy. He can't even tweet about it anymore. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I did see that, Cly. I don't even have words to speak. That's fine. I'll be eating some octopus tonight. Oh, man, that's too funny. But he was up 400K at one point, but then I'm not sure he ended up 400 because the market did kind of reverse from where position he was in. Don't laugh, Nutty. They're awesome. Look up videos of octopuses. I have heard octopuses are very smart. They're very smart. So no hate from me. I'm not hating on octopuses. Don't get me wrong. Hey, nice, John. Yeah, they are too smart. I've heard they're very smart. Octopuses. I don't think it's called octopuses. I think, is it octopi? I think it is. Things I don't need to know. Things I don't need to know for 500. All right, market, we're seeing a pullback. We are seeing a pullback now. Come on down. Man, I might take a trade here based off of the 9 EMA. I might do this. I might do it. Just do it on one mini. Just want to commend you on sticking to your plan, especially these last 2 days. Yeah, thank you, RX. Thank you. I appreciate that. Uh, Thank you, RX. What app do you use for the heart rate? So I connect my phone to my Windows. Like I connect my phone to my computer, and then I can open an app from on my computer from my phone. So I open the Whoop app, and that's how I display my heart rate. Mhm. All right, I might take this 9 EMA. I want to see how big would my stop be? $800. Man. Let's see. Uh-oh. I might get I'm just gonna keep my stop here. It is what it is. And I'm gonna look for I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna get some water. And we're back. The real reason I went see my wife is baking cookies. You talk about some good eating. Oh, is there a better smell than fresh baked cookies? Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh man. Look, you can tell they're still nice and warm. Oh, am I getting stopped out here? Come on, market. I was very close to getting filled there. That's unfortunate. I don't know. This might stop out. Glass of milk and the world is yours. That is true. Niles, I can actually hear you getting fatter. Oh, no. Yeah, we might get stopped here, which is fine. All right. Do I use any Rhythmic accounts? I don't. All my accounts are Trade-of-8. Hey, Rogue Trades. Good to see you, Rogue Trades. I remember you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. We've definitely hey, we've definitely learned we've learned along the way, which is all we can do. All right, now we wait. I will take another setup here. If we see a move off the 21 EMA, I'll take it. I probably should have just taken profit here at the 159s. I probably should have, but oh well. What are you talking about? 1, 2, 3, 4 Gaza. Think you needed, I don't know what you're trying to talk. What are you? Yep, this is the first test of the 21 EMA since this one right here. People are so weird. Why are people so weird, man? Why are we talking about a Ranger? I don't even know what it means. It's like the kids nowadays talking about 67. I'm going to lose my mind if people keep we can't continue to get dumber as a civilization. We can't do it, folks. Oh, I'm sorry, Dabda. What are the chances we erase all that pump before end of day? I don't know, Benjamin. I mean, I hate to, I don't know. I feel like the chance we make a new low today is like 10%. I don't know. That's just my opinion. Oh, please, please. It's 6 or 7, not 67. Please, I beg you guys. I beg you. We cannot start having a conversation about the number 6 and 7. I will lose my mind. Okay? Please, let's not do this. Yeah, I'm Amish, not a. I had a person explain 6, 7 and still didn't understand it. Exactly. My 12-year-old, I asked my 12-year-old, what does it mean? And he couldn't tell me. Basically, he said, well, 6, 7 is right beside each other. And that's the moment I knew we are cooked. We are cooked as a society. If people are just now realizing that 6 and 7 are close together, it's like, oh, wow. I mean, that's amazing. makes me want to, it makes me want to stab myself with a dull lead pencil. Man, we are so cooked. I was able to get the PA at 40 with Apex, so I understand it now. Let's go, David Knight. David Knight, finally. Wait, David Knight, when were you able to do that? Is the $40 lifetime activation fee, is that still active right now? Because I haven't actually heard if it is or not. we are so done. We are not going to survive as a society. Oh man. You know what's funny? I was talking to my wife the other day. You got to follow through here. But we were both we were sitting in our truck in a parking lot in a kind of a strip mall area. We were sitting there the other day, and we had bought like a smoothie, and we were both sitting in the truck in the parking spot and just eating our smoothie. Okay, so you got to follow along here. Oh, hang on. We got to take this trade, right? Man, this is insane how big of a stop loss this is. Oh my word. I mean, this is crazy. This is exactly why we don't trade minis on our funded accounts. This is why. Pump it! Pump it! Okay, so now back to the story. So we were sitting in the parking lot eating our smoothies, and we're just watching people go in and out. And there was like a Planet Fitness. There was a Planet Fitness gym like right in front of us. And I was, we were just watching people come in and out of that gym, and they were working out, whatever. And I don't know why I just thought of this. And I'm just like, I was telling my wife, and I was like, can you imagine someone from like the 1830s, and you would take someone from 1825 and fast forward them 200 years to where we are right now, and you would show them, and you would have to explain to them how we have cars. So we have cars, we have washers and dryers, we've got riding lawnmowers, we've got everything to make life easy for us. But then we go into a place to work out so we can get exercise. And I'm just thinking, like, I wonder, I mean, they would look at you like a dog looks at a high-pitched sound. They'd be like, wait, what? Like, huh? Why would you do that? Rip it. Okay, market. Really need this thing to go. No, I mean, are we going to start bleeding lower? If this fails to make a move here, I'm afraid we might be in trouble. Is this going to be the turning point of the day? Are we going to start rolling over? I don't know. This is, hey, do I want to take a $2,200 loss? Not really, but I will. I will do it. Because it's the setup. We got to take what, we got to take it. Are you sure you were not eating a pot brownie instead of a smoothie? Yeah, I promise it was a smoothie. I promise. There was a gym in the Titanic in 1911. Oh, wow. That's actually interesting. But that kind of makes sense, right? A gym in the Titanic makes sense because, you know, they couldn't work, right? Come on, fill me. Really? You're not going to fill me. Fill me now. I command you. That's a direct order. Thank you. Now I'm going to move my stop here. I mean, why not? We can go to the 25,200s, right? Why not? I shouldn't have said anything. As soon as I say something, we go down. Back down we go. Come on, market. The gym was for first class and was quite different to a modern gym. I see. Was my wife Amish, Leon Powell? Yes, she was. We married Amish. The Titanic had a bounce house? Are you serious? Yeah, this setup is the same as the one earlier. It is. Agreed. Same as this one and this one. That's why we took it. All right, I'm just gonna hold. I'm gonna hold this, and we're gonna see if we can't get to our goal. Our goal for these accounts is 2,700. If we get to 2,700 on these accounts, we will call it a day. Maybe even 2,000. We might call it a day as well. Sorry, I had to step away. Did you get word on Apex 6 months? You know what? Let me check. I don't think I did. Nope, not yet. I did not get it yet. While we're on the subject, why is the word important now pronounced important? Important. Huh? There are two T's in the word. Coach Captain Crunch. Are we going to have an English lesson again today? Important. 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 Okay, I'll go with important from now on. The Titanic had an iceberg watching room. It was currently empty. Womp womp. Bobbing in the ocean in a life vest is not the same as a bounce house. Good grief. That's cold. I'm sorry. That we should not make jokes about that. Chat GP. Okay, yeah, we're not going there, folks. No, we're not doing this. I heard the Titanic also had ice baths. They also had ice baths. Too early? Is that too early? They had a Zoom room. Okay, I need to stop. That's not right. It's not right. All right, market. Just go, baby. Go. You can do it. You can do it. They didn't have Ben, but they had roses. Yeah, we are. That's terrible. Terrible. I tell you, it was terrible. Come on, market. Keep going. Keep going. I need new highs here. We need new highs. I mean, a lot of people on television say that is very important. Oh, I see what. Okay, Captain Crunch. Okay, okay, you're. I probably thought it was about me because I'm guilty. I blew an account because TradeAway would not close a trade. What? That's unfortunate. You were trying to exit at Mark. Are people having TradeAway issues? Grant Thompson. Oh man. We should probably trail our stop here. We probably should, just to avoid being stupid. All right, let's see. Can we break out? Can we break above this 170, 175 area? Can we do it? There we go. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it good. Could almost move my stop here. Nah, we're going to leave it. Let's go to the moon. There she goes. 180s. Now give it to me. Come on, keep going. No, bad girl. Bad girl. Don't be like this. Don't do it. You little, you know what? We wait. We be patient. The EALTDEN accounts are not funded. MVP Mikey. Those are trade day accounts. End of day drawdown trade day accounts. So we're just trading eval accounts, trying to pass trade day. I'd love to add trade day to my funded accounts. So we're going to try to pass them. It's crazy how much easier it is to hold a trade when it's evals. Crazy how much easier it is to hold a trade when it's evals. Why does my chat show the @ symbol? MVP Mikey? I don't know. I wish it wouldn't. I wish it was a setting, but YouTube basically, we did a lot of research on it, and basically YouTube is going to make those changes across most accounts, and I guess we were some of the lucky first ones to do it. Yay us. I got traumatized copy trading last year when I lost 10 at once. So I mean, yeah, I hear you, man. I've been traumatized a lot. I've gotten calluses. Why did you put the second target at that particular spot? Dad Nader, this is where if we hit this target, actually this target, so 21, 25. If we get to this target, that means we have hit our, we can't make more money than this. That means we've hit our consistency target. All right, let's go. Let's rip it. Go, baby. Hit it. Give me one pop. Come on. Come on. Just fill me, please. Do I just take it off here? I think we'll get it. I think we'll get it. We're so close. We're so close. Why are you not hitting it? Hang on. I mean, how did it not hit? Our target was the 117 and oh, we're 2 ticks. 2 ticks away. Oh, let's go. Booyah. We did it, chat. We did it. We did it. I guess we're done now. I guess we're done. Man, this is wild how this market is acting. I mean, it's crazy. We're just going straight up, no pullbacks, nothing. Diamond hands. Let's go. It's a lot easier to hold when it's evals. I will say that. A lot easier. Man, this thing just continuing to rip higher. It's unbelievable. And we continue. I mean, I literally don't have anything to trade now. I guess we will, hang on. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Here we go. Exclamation mark NBT for a chance to get entered. Exclamation mark NBT. Man, this is insane how this thing is ripping. I mean, crazy market. Oh, man. Absolutely insane. This market just squeezing. Look at the daily chart. Look at this daily chart right here. Oof. Wow. Oh, I forgot to take a screenshot of my trade here. All right, I'm just gonna document my trade here from this morning. Okay, 20 points. All right, download. Okay, no, that's done. All right, again, we're doing a giveaway, guys. Doing a giveaway for 150K. We're going to do 350K take profit trader accounts, and they will be included with a activation, an activation credit as well, worth $130. Love it, love it. Mm. Mm. And I don't have anything else to trade. I guess I'll just twiddle my thumbs. If a setup comes, I'll just do this. Man, the 9 EMA might. All right, guys, got 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. Can you repeat the thing about the 30 straight trades, Robert Clark? It's basically just, Robert, I'm just trying to, basically the challenge was picture in your mind what a great setup looks like. Okay. Like picture in your mind, what is a great setup? What does that look like? And whatever that comes to mind for 30 trades, only take that setup. 30 trades, just for 30 trades, you only take that specific setup. No deviating, just do that. And that's basically the 30 trade challenge. Oh, you know what? I should have put this in sub only mode. Shoot. Oh well. Well, that's fine. All right, market. We're getting a bounce off the 9 EMA now. I mean, I just did not expect this. Did not expect this at all today. I mean, we are from the 650s to the 250. I mean, we're 600 points from the lows. That is crazy. I did not see that coming. I did not see that coming. But you know what? The beauty of it is, if I had to predict today what we're going to see today, I would have predicted we go lower the rest of the day. But the nice thing about it is I didn't let that get in the way of trading my setup. Just traded the setup, and whatever happened, happened. About 1 to 3, yeah. I mean, if you would trade every day, like if you would trade all day long, you probably would get more than 3 setups. But I would say on average, my setup probably presents itself 3 to 5 times a day. But I usually am done by noon. So for whatever that's worth. Look at that. That is, wow. There was another setup for, I mean, no, technically, okay, so I should actually remove this. Okay, I need to make this line a little bit less visible because it is a little bit confusing. I'm going to actually change this color. Okay, I like that better. So this EMA here is the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart. I don't take my setups off of that. I did do it right here on the eval only, but I only take my setups off the 2-minute 21 EMA, which is this line, and this line is the 5-minute 21 EMA. So technically, this here would actually not be a setup. And that's kind of the when we see these kind of crazy moves, we sometimes don't get a pullback enough. We don't get enough of a pullback, but hey, it is what it is. When are we doing the duck race? Oh, yes, we're doing it now. Okay. Let's do the duck race, fellas. Take profit trader 150K accounts. Here we go. Let me get everything set up here. Again, this is I'm going to give away all my, all of these accounts are because you guys use my code. You guys are using my NBT code for Take Profit Trader. And honestly, it has been mind-numbingly crazy how big of a difference having that NBT code has made for Take Profit Trader and my affiliates. So I really do appreciate it. And I just want to give hopefully we can keep doing these Take Profit Trader account giveaways. We will do them as long as we can. But this is thanks to you guys in one tiny little way that I can give back. All right, we are going to pick, if you haven't been here before, this is how it works. We are going to pick 15 names. And these 15 names will then be entered into a duck race. How much did that thief steal from you, Dabda? I probably shouldn't say, but it was a really good yearly wage, honestly. Okay. We're going to pick 15 names. The top three will get a Take Profit Trader test account and an activation credit. Okay. So if you pass it, you can activate it for free. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. First name. The first name is Tony G Force. Tony G Force. Let's go. Next name. Oh, David Wren. Let's go, David Wren. David Wren. Here we go. Next name is R. Mark 5866. R. Mark. Good luck to you, sir. Next name's gonna be Tim Newsy. Tim Newsy. Good luck to you, sir. Here we go. Next name, Matteo. Matteo Cabalucci. Matteo Cabalucci. I don't even know. I'm going to call you Matteo. Okay? Hopefully that's okay. Next name. Hey, that's a familiar name. Coach Captain Crunch. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Next name. Quick XY Gaming. Quick XY Gaming. Good luck to you, sir. Here we go. Next name is You Can't See Me. You can't see me. Good luck. There we go. Next name is going to be Worlds Away Nomads. And here we go. Here's the next name. Walter the Great Goat. Walter the Great Goat. I have some of you guys have some weird names. All right. We got to remove 5 names. Don't worry. You're still in the duck race. Okay. Next name is Here we go. Trader Adub. Trader Adub. Trader Adub. Here we go. Next name is Schlangenhund. Is that a German name? Anyway, I'm going to call you Schlangenhund. What? Schlan? I don't know, man. I'm going to call you Hund. Hund is the Dutch word for dog, by the way. No offense. Okay, next name. Here we go. Oh, Mike Hogg. Mike Hogg. Good luck to you, sir. Here we go. 2 more names. Who's it gonna be? J Mills LFG. J Mills. Good luck, J Mills. Here we go. Final name. Here it is. Final name. And it is Astro Boy Ken. Astro Boy Ken. And there you go. We have 15 names. All right, fellas, it's time. It is time. Ooh, we're getting a little bit of a pullback now. Double top. Interesting. All right. Focus on the duck race. Here we go. As you can see, here are all the names. We're going to do a 2-minute race, just like always. And for fair play, and we get audited. All these duck races are audited by a third party and verified. So we do shuffle 1 time. Characters get shuffled 1 time. Here we go. Are you ready? And they're off. Here we go. All you need is top 3. Pace yourself, ducks. Pace yourself. Don't waste all that energy in the beginning. And here we go. Right out of the gate, we've got a 4-way tie between Hund, You Can't See Me, World Away Nomads, and Remark. 5866. Now, World Away Nomads takes the early lead. Here comes Remark now pulling ahead, half a length of lead. The fan favorite Hot Pink Duck is pulling ahead. Here it comes. Oh, we've got a fan favorite, Coach Captain Crunch at the bottom of your screen. You're going to want to watch him. Here we go. Can he pull it out? We also have David Wren. And we've got David Wren, World Away Nomads, with a neck and neck right now for first place. Here comes You Can't See Me. And here comes, who is that? Walter. Walter the Great now making a move. Walter the Great from the back of the pack. Here he comes. He's making his move. Early. Is it too early? He takes a commanding full length, half a length, 2-length lead now for Walter the Great. We've got 35 seconds to go. Who's it going to be? Hund, Walter the Great, Wixie Gaming. Oh, excuse me. We've got David Wren and Captain Crunch at the bottom of your screen in the middle of the pack. Now Mike Hogg was trying to make a move. We've got 15 seconds. You Can't See Me, Wixie Gaming, Tony G-Force, and Hund. Who's it going to be? 8 seconds, 7 seconds. Who's going to make a move? Here comes, it's a race. Here comes J Mills, Captain Crunch. Oh, I don't know. Oh, that's going to be so painful. Oh, I think Captain Crunch missed by a hair. But, everybody pause. Everybody wait. We got a third party audit this. We got to verify the results. Everybody just hang tight. I'm with the official duck race committee right now. This needs to be verified. Hang on. Yep, just got word. Everything is verified. Here we go. And the official results. third-party audited and verified. In third place, it is Astro Boy Ken. And coming in second place, it is You Can't See Me. And as we all saw, Jay Mills takes home the win. Congratulations, everybody. Very nicely done. And I'm very sorry, Captain Crunch, but we verified, we audited, we looked for anything we could do to disqualify some ducks, but all the ducks, nobody did anything wrong. Captain Crunch missed out. I mean, maybe an eighth of a lead, eighth of a length. Oh, that's too bad. He tried. It was a valiant effort. It was a good effort. Oh, man. All right, everybody. Thanks for playing in the duck race. Hey, now there's a setup. We would have had a setup here, the 202s, but unfortunately, we are done trading for the day. All accounts are locked. Yeah. Man, I'm sweating. That worked me up. All right, let me put my email in the chat. Hang on. Okay. First place, second place, and third place. Please send me a screen. Email me, nuttybar1983. Email me, screenshot your YouTube channel, and then also make sure you include in the email what your Take Profit Trader, what is your Take Profit Trader account email. And once you, if you don't have a Take Profit Trader account, you do need to set one up. And then share your email account. You do have to have a Take Profit Trader account. And send that to me, and you should receive your credit, your 150 credit, and also your activation credit by probably Monday. I'm sorry, Jim in the web, if you missed the duck race. I'm sorry, man. The American Duck Racing Association of America will be hearing about this very soon. I don't know, Captain Crunch. Everything was all the I's were dotted and all the T's were crossed. I promise. If you want to appeal the decision, I'll take it up with the committee. Best Guess Trading. I saw J Mills stab another duck with his dagger. Oh, man, that's too funny. No, yeah. All right, everybody. I am going to call it a day. It's a good day. And I might just go golfing today. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I might. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, handwriting my rule over and over in blank paper. Do it, Dabda. Do it. Like elementary school all over again. Oh, man. What is the trading platform you use to trade level with consistency target? David Knight, trade level with consistency target. I mean, Ninja Trader's what I use, David Knight, but you know that, I thought. On the far right. Oh, you mean this? This is the Affordable Indicators account dashboard. Is what this account dashboard is. Affordable Indicators account dashboard. Hey, let's go, J Mills. Should have offered some free cereal for a year to the committee. They're not bribed that easily. They're not bribed that easily. Hey, you're welcome, Niles. You're welcome. Okay, guys, I'm going to call it here. Again, thanks, everyone, for all your support. And I hope you guys have a green day. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Spend time with loved ones. And we'll be back Monday morning and do it all over again. So take care, everybody. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And